ito pong sinabi ng DILG that they know where he is and they are tracking his movements. Ano po ang masasabi ninyo dito?
Well, it shows that they love him very much because they want to know where he is. But I am just concerned because if it is true that there is no warrant of arrest against him, and besides, even if there is a warrant of arrest against him, we do not have the necessary legal, we do not have the necessary law as to how to properly deliver him to the Netherlands, and that is a cause for concern.
But being a lawmaker, should he not just face the music? Because this is what he said before. He said, bring it on. Hindi po ba?
That should be placed in context because as you understand, I have already explained at length in many interviews, we are the only country out of all the members of the ICC which do not have any implementing rules, which do not have any implementing legislation as to how to effectuate surrender. Hindi naman po pwede na dakpin lamang siya na parang manok at dalahin doon sa Hague, Netherlands. Kailangan po mabigyan po siya ng due process, yung right po niya ma-define definitely in a local law because the provisions on surrender have to be transformed or via a local law. Atat pala tayo siya na i-surrender, dapat ginawa na natin ang batas noong una pa.
So, as a remedy, have you petitioned the courts for clarification? Have you done, ano pong mga legal avenues na open?
It's all pending in the, it's all pending in the Supreme Court. That's one of the issues that we raised in the Supreme Court in the petition for certiorari which we filed for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and the good Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Pero silent pa rin ang Supreme Court. Wala pa pong desisyon.
As of now, wala pa po. We are hoping that the Supreme Court will issue a ruling so that we can be properly guided as to what to do on the matter.